Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. So that's July, August, September. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Virgo. Ano ang energies for you ngayong third quarter ng 2024. Seashell, wow. So this is spiritual growth, evolution. You're becoming more stable. Some of you, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening, pwede nagkakaroon kayo ng uh, bagong pananaw sa buhay, especially in your belief system. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, you're getting more religious, or may sasalihan ka na religious organizations. So just take what resonates. But you're becoming more spiritual ngayong third quarter ng 2024. Mas connected ka sa iyong higher self. You are growing as a person. You are growing spiritually. You also have links. So this is about intuition, becoming more independent. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, ngayong third quarter ng 2024, mas magiging low-key kayo. Yung mananahimik lang kayo, no? Yung tipong hindi kayo masyadong magiging, mag-share ng maraming bagay na nangyayari sa buhay nyo. Can be sa social media or sa ibang tao. Kasi pwedeng, this is just your own personal experience na masyado siyang private para sa'yo na i-share sa iba. Parang mas gusto mo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. Kasi, di ba, when we share things, ibig sabihin, ino-open natin yun sa opinion ng iba. So, for some of you, maaring hindi sa inyo importante kung ano yung opinion ng iba sa nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. So, that's why you don't want to share a lot, no? You also have energy ng Scorpion. So, this is passion. I think you're going to be more passionate in your craft, in your knowledge, in your skills. So, ano man yung iyong mga pinagkakaabalahan ngayon, career, trabaho, business, even relationships, you will deal with it with passion. You will deal with it with so much love, so much energy. Mas ano ka ngayon, very much connected doon sa mga tao or bagay, sitwasyon na ini-involve mo yung sarili mo. Parang you are living in the moment. You have the Wheel of Fortune. Oy, the wheel is turning in your favor. Wow. There's a major celebration for you, Virgo. Iba sa inyo. Meron ditong, parang, okay, yung iba, di ba, lagi natin sinasabi na, oh, may babalik na person from the past. Wag yun ang balikan. Oo, yung mga ganun. But I feel like there is a relationship na isi-save mo. Okay? Ito yung tipong uh, pwedeng nawala na sa buhay mo, or let's say akala mo wala na sa buhay mo pero kaya mo pa palang gawa ng paraan at i-save. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng separation with someone, and then you realize na this person pala is kailangan mo, siya pala, mahal mo pala siya. So, part of your spiritual growth yan, na may nagbabago sa'yo for the better because you want to be a better version of yourself para sa partner mo. Okay? So, some of you, you're going to fix a relationship, a connection, na worth it siyang ayusin. This is an energy from your past. So, I think ngayon mas magiging committed kayo sa connection nyo, sa relationship ninyo. I also see, let's say, a career or a business na tinalikuran mo dati dahil maaring ito ay very stressful pa sa'yo. And I think ngayon, maaring, it's either may ipapalit ka na doon, or pwedeng babalikan mo para ayusin, or para, kumbaga ngayon, mas may energy ka na, mas may power ka na para magawa yon. Okay? So sa money, career, finances, you have the Judgment card, the Ace of Staves, new beginnings for you in your career, in your finances. I think mas nagiging competitive ka sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Meron kang binabago rito. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo medyo mahiyain, or yung tipong parang you're not really, parang hindi ka ganun ka-competitive. I think ngayon, mas magiging assertive ka. So parang you will gain more energy to fight. Not to fight yung physical fight, no? Or violence. Hindi ganun. Ibig sabihin niyan, mas competitive ka sa trabaho mo, mas gagalingan mo, may mga babaguhin ka ng mga unhealthy habits mo sa work para you perform better, 'di ba? Let's say lagi kang dati madalas ka malate or lagi kang absent. So ngayon ayusin mo na yung attendance mo sa trabaho. You will always show up kasi gusto mo kang patunayan. Oo. So ngayon, third quarter ng 2024, meron kang mapapatunayan sa sarili mo, especially sa career mo, sa business mo. 'Di ba? Innovation, you're going to be very creative. Yung iba, kung kayo nasa science, or you are into technology, pwedeng ikaw ay merong mga breakthroughs na magagawa, no? Meron kang mga may inventong bagay-bagay na makakatulong para sa iyong trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. Yes, ikaw ay very strategic ngayon sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Kumbaga, lahat ng kilos mo ay calculated. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung magiging resulta nun. And also, kung makikita mo man na hindi umaayon yung resulta sa gusto mo, magiging kalmado ka lang. Kasi iniisip mo na, okay, baka hindi yun talaga para sa akin. No? Baka meron pang iba na dapat ko talagang i-explore, or talagang it's meant not na hindi siya mag-work for you. But I think regardless, no, ikaw pa rin ay mas magiging kalmado ngayon pagdating sa mga choices mo or actions mo sa career mo, sa business. Sa relationship, nako. Okay. Yes. So, some of you nanggaling sa isang toxic situation, toxic relationship, pwede nga talagang may separation dito kasi may losses. But with the Four of Pentacles, I feel like you are going to fix things. Aayusin mo yung connection, yung relationship with this person. Lalo na kung may pamilya na kayo, may anak na kayo together with this person. So, kumbaga, aayusin mo yung foundation ng relationship ninyo. Yes. I think you will focus on building a relationship na yung tipong medyo nag-alanganin. Oo. Lalo na kung may mga anak kayo. So, some of you are moving on, moving forward. Pag sinabi natin moving on, hindi naman dapat laging nagkaroon ng final separation and wala na, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you are moving on, ibig sabihin kung ano yung naging problema nyo with your relationship, nakaka-move on na kayo dun sa problema na yun, no? You are now focused on building a strong foundation ng connection ng relationship ninyo. Yeah. And I think, siguro yung iba sa inyo, binigyan nyo ng space ang isa't isa para makapag-isip-isip. And now, nung nakapag-isip-isip na kayo, ayun na. Naisip nyo na this might be worth it na ayusin. Okay? But of course, hindi naman to para sa lahat. Yung iba, you still have a choice, no? You have a choice kung ipupursue nyo to, susubukan nyo pang ayusin, or finally talagang i-let go mo na. Okay? You have your choice. Graceful transformation. Soften your heart and find your flow. Ayan. Going with the flow. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring yun nga, merong pinatawad, ni-let go, and now you are moving on para sa katahimikan ng isip mo. Whether you will stay in this relationship or mag-move on ka on your own. Okay? Whatever works out for you. So, yeah, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.